Introduction to exporting and sharing mind maps.
Mind maps help organize ideas visually, but sharing and accessing them across devices is key for productivity. In this tutorial, discover the simplest ways to export your mind maps from desktop to mobile and how to collaborate with others efficiently.
Choosing the right export format.
Most mind mapping apps allow you to export your projects in common formats such as PDF, image files, or native formats. PDF and image formats are ideal for sharing with others who do not use the same app. Choose the format based on how you or your collaborators plan to view or edit the mind map.
Exporting mind maps on your desktop.
To export from desktop, open your mind map and look for the Export or Save As option. Select your preferred format, such as PDF or PNG, and choose a location to save the file. This exported file can now be sent via email, messaging apps, or cloud storage.
Syncing and accessing mind maps on mobile devices.
Many mind mapping tools offer cloud sync features. Sign in with the same account on both desktop and mobile apps to access your mind maps automatically. Alternatively, open the exported file using compatible apps on your mobile device, ensuring you have access wherever you go.
Sharing and collaborating with others.
Collaboration is easy when using sharing links or inviting others within the app. Most modern mind mapping tools let you generate a shareable link or directly invite teammates by email. When exporting as files, simply attach them or upload to a shared drive. Choose the method that best fits your team's workflow.
Tips for a smooth workflow.
Regularly update your mind maps and keep backups in both cloud and offline formats. Organize files clearly and communicate which version is current when sharing. Explore app-specific collaboration features for seamless teamwork across devices, making your mind mapping experience productive and connected.